Homegrown Radio. Ekhaya. My home.
Blessed day, super stunning day. Igama nguTumelo Kuba aka TKJ. The sun is out, the birds are singing. We are live from Centurion 012. Today I'm super blessed. This is Power of Positivity. I'm joined by Amadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi all the way. Hey, these people, they travel around South Africa. Ninjani mafethu?
No siyaphila mfethu sibingelele yonke South Africa la khona lephingo lifinyelela khona sithi nje Amadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi afikile kule ndawo igama lami nguSibusiso ngwakamango ngihamba nomfethu Mabunda mfethu.
Thank you so much guys for having us today, and we are here live tuning in. Let me greet each and everyone that has tuned in to Homegrown Radio, and also let us welcome our Facebook family and everywhere where people are watching us. Finally, Sila.
Okay, how did you meet, guys? First day when you met, what happened?
Mabunda.
First of all, I think what happened is I met this guy first initially. So there is a school called Tswelapele Secondary School.
In Tembisa.
In Tembisa, and there is a lady called Mkhaeji. In 2016, if I'm not mistaken, she was the chairperson of SCO in that particular school. So what happened is the previous year I had been invited to come and preach on a closing function. Then the following year they invited me to come and do motivation. So when I was doing motivation, I was sitting down and I'm observing this guy from Mpumalanga, and he preached, he did his best, he did that he knows, and I was like, I love this man. Then it happened, after I just went and said, man, bro, thank you so much, man, that's amazing, what a powerful preaching. He did not notice me at that time because of a lot of people that were coming and saying. Then later on, little did we know that one of our brothers, Uyanga, shout out to Uyanga, the founder of MCs and Preachers, was now organizing a group called MCs and Preachers. So that's how then we met and we built that relationship from there.
That is amazing. Amadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi. But Amadoda Anyakazisa, wherever they go, they move. Mountains. Because it is said that if you have faith, even though like a mustard seed, that faith can move mountains.
That's true.
Okay, this is a good school. Okay, number one, when you look at Jesus Christ was the man of parables. And right now we have adopted that from him. Man of parables. Like he uses examples. Okay. In this example, so. So like, how did you manage to start that, and how did you manage to let us take this approach in a way which like you can be able to preach effectively?
There's something that you need to understand. To understand the Bible.
True.
The reason why Uchesu was using parable is because he wanted to bring the content whatsoever he was addressing, so that I led to their level. So because and by the way, whatsoever the content that we are releasing is inspired by the Holy Spirit. So every time we are going, for example, abantu bayaphila emhlabeni mabaphila baphatha ama cell phone baphatha ama plate. It's easy to relate nabo ukuthi lento ahlale ayidla and bring a message to them. Why? Because umsebenzi weparable ukwenza ukuthi ukwazi understand, because we can say usengayisho ke lento le, because to some iBible ifana ne dictionary yabona, like ama bombastic words, it needs ukuthi ichazelwe le. So thina we are explaining every detail ukuthi yini amanzi, and kulawo manzi we bring life.
Hey my God. Hey. And I just want to say thank you guys. Because right now there are young South Africans out there who are about to commit suicide. But because of your videos, they listen to them, they watch them. Right now they are redeemed because of your videos. We thank God. Amen. Yes, this is Power of Positivity. Your boy Tumelo Kuba aka TPAJ. www.homegrownradio.co.za. You can listen to us live there. See Hlangene Amadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi, and I believe Guti Lenten is gonna happen, Madoda, because basically I've got a huge announcement. Amadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi will be joining us every Monday. Currently we know Guti, we are Christians and we're pastors. So what other music do you listen to? Maybe another genre maybe you listen to?
Hey, it's good answer.
No,
I'm sure it is a type of music that is more. So personally, actually, I'm more into soul.
Okay.
And R&B.
So in R&B?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
The classic one, you know.
Yeah.
Crazy, you know, like yeah, that type.
Yeah. So ngingasho ukuthi yazi ukuthi indaba ye TikTok yabona, yazi ama TikTok anza kanjani mos yabona. So yeah, yabona ipiano nayo.
Okay. You're telling us ukuthi okay.
Yeah.
It's not a bad thing right now. Maybe tell umphathi wethu to bahlele ipiano. Like it's not a bad thing.
But into ezoba inkinga, it's not a problem.
Yeah.
But a problem indaba yokujiva.
No, like when we're dancing, we're just like giving people like nani ngabantu, which means like there are some other music that we listen to. Not like you always like maybe gospel, because we know gospel is healing, and gospel it's music from God's heart.
Yeah.
But now we are trying to show people which nani ngabantu, and there are other music that we listen to.
Yeah, I do especially like ngingoma ngiyazilalela kunanje ngithanda kakhulu etrenda lapha ku TikTok.
Which one?
Hayi bazami kusemathanda.
Okay. So bangahelela yona.
Yeah, ka Master KG no the daughter.
Yabona
isithandwa sami. So
okay.
Imagine sengichata bazalwane. So into ngiyithanda so far.
Okay, that is amazing.
Yeah.
Right now we're gonna play Master KG and one
Wasazana
the daughter.
The latest one.
Yeah, because we are dedicated like this song is for Amadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi.
Yeah.
We say it's okay. Yes, njengoba umuntu
kahle asithi this song is dedicated to our fans. Like they've been like faithful to us. So I can say that. Yeah.
Power of positivity. We're coming back in Amadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi. Thank you very much.
That was